5K. I hope you had a nice, long, and fun fall break. So welcome back to math meeting. So let's get back into it. Here we go. How many days are there in a week? Do you remember from a long time ago how many days there are in a week? Let's count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 days in a week. Let's sing the song that helps us remember all the 7 days. Ready? There are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Good job! And today is our first school day of the week, and yesterday was Sunday. So what does that make today? Yesterday was Sunday. Monday. Yeah, today is Monday. Say, today is Monday. Go. Today is Monday. Good job. Today is Monday. And let's talk about now how many months there are in a year. It's been a while since we talked about it. But do you remember how many months there are up here? There are 12. Yeah, 12 months in a year. Let's stand up on the ground and sing the song and do the dance that helps us remember the 12 months of the year. Go ahead and do it with me. Ready? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Those are the months of the year. Sit down. Good job, 5K. Thanks for doing that with me. And so yeah, we have 12 months in a year, and we're in a new month now. I'm really excited to talk to you about it. Maybe you've heard the month that we're in already. I'm going to scoot you closer so you can see our calendar nice and close. We're in a new month, just like we said. In fact, today is not the first day of that month, but do you know what comes after first? First, second. We're in the second day of the month. So, we are in the month of November. Yeah, it comes right after October. Yeah, and take a look at the word, our title for November. It's got lots of, what do you see on this title, all the pictures? Yeah, it's got lots of leaves, lots of colorful leaves, because leaves are still falling from the trees in November, aren't they? Yeah. And it's a fall, yeah, another fall month. And Thanksgiving is in this month. Look, Thanksgiving Day is later in this month. So we'll get to talk about that this month too. So in the month of November, and like we said, it's not the first day, but the second day. What number goes with second? Second? Yeah, it's the November 2nd. I'm sorry. And so November 2nd, and the shape of today for our day, what shape is this? Yeah, it's a square because it has 4 equal sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to have a new pattern for November too. So November 2nd. So let's write that. Go ahead and grab your whiteboard or a marker and a paper, and you can write the date with me. That'd be awesome. So today's date is, we have a new month that we get to write. So we got new letters. Here we go. The first letter in November, it is a capital letter, right? So it has to be tall. So what letter, do you know what letter makes the N sound? The November, that sound? It's an N. This is a capital N. Here's how you make a capital N. You're going to start on your bottom line. You're going to go straight up and touch your top line. You're going to slant back down to your bottom line, and then you're going to go straight up again. So you have to go up, slant down to the right, and then go straight up again. So that's our capital N for November. All right. Do you remember this letter? This little one? It was one of our very first letters that we learned. Yeah, this is a lowercase o. A lowercase o. Go ahead and make a nice round lowercase o for November. All right. Have you seen this letter before? This letter makes the v, v sound in November. V. This is a letter V. A letter V. And to make a letter V, they're pretty easy. All you have to do to make a lowercase one, you start at your middle line, you slant down, and then slant back up. But you use just those middle lines because they have to be little because it's lowercase. So that's a V. Good job. All right. This is a letter you should know. This is an E. Yeah, we also had an E in September, right? November. This is an E, a lowercase e. So we have drawn those before with our dates. To make one of those, you slide to the right, and then you make a C, curving around like that. November. Good job. All right. November. This is a letter that you might know. This letter makes the sound, the sound. This is an M, a lowercase m. Here's how you make a lowercase m. You start at the middle line, you go down, and you give it two humps. You give it one hump, and then you trace up, and then give it two humps. There you go. November. Just like that. All right. We had this letter in October too. This letter makes the b sound. What letter makes the b sound? November. Yeah, this is a letter B, a lowercase b. And to make a B, maybe you remember, you make a line from top to bottom, and you give it a belly to the right. A belly to the right. Good job. November. Okay, and the last two letters go together, just like October and September. We have November. ER together makes the sound. So we're going to make an E and an R. So we get to make another E, just like we did earlier. So go ahead and slide to the right and make a C. And then for your lowercase e. And then for your R, it's a line down, and then you trace up and give it a hook. And that's how you spell November. Good job. You wrote November for the first time. Good job for the first math meeting that we had in November. Good job. All right, and we said today was November 2nd. Yeah, not the first, but the 2nd. So make a 2 for second. To make a 2, remember, you curve around and slide to the right. Good job. And then, I hope you didn't forget, what do we need after our number before our year? It's something little. Yeah, we need our cute little comma. Don't forget that. You need to make it right at the bottom of your 2, next to your 2. So go ahead and make your little comma. And then after that, we're ready to write our year. So go ahead and tell me what year we are in still. Yeah, still in 2020. So go ahead and make a 2 because 2 is the first number in 2020. So once again, curve around and slide to the right. What do we need next after this 2? A 0, yep. And then we need another 2. Curve around and slide to the right for that one. And then we need another 0. So make another 0 after that. I'll give you a second to finish writing the year. November 2nd, 2020. All right. Once you're done writing it, you can grab your microphone and you can announce the date with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Good morning, Milwaukee. Today's date is November 2nd, 2020. Good job. Thank you for announcing it with me. All right, let's talk about how many days we've had in school so far. We have so far had this many days. We had 40 last time we had a day of school, which means if we add 1 to 40, we have 41. 41 days in school now. So we have our 41st day in school. Good job. And that means I'm going to color in our 41st square, which is going to be down here. I have to start a new tower of tens. Just like that. Good job. So, 41. Let's talk about 41. How many tens are there in 41? I'll grab the number so you can see it. How many tens are there in 41? Yeah, there's 4 tens, and you can see that because the 4 is in the tens place. So, I'm going to write a 4 up here for 4 tens, and then how many ones are there in 41? Yep, just one in 41. So, good job. We talked about our days in school. Let's talk about our pattern. If you have your whiteboard and you wrote the date along with me, go ahead and write the pattern along with me too. You can just write the last 3 if you want. So, say what we have so far in our pattern to see what we have to repeat. Say these 3 with me. Ready? 6, 9, 12. Yeah, 6, 9, 12. So if these 3 repeat again right here, what's my next one going to be if this pattern repeats itself? What comes first? Yeah, the 6 does. The 6 does. Good job. So if you're writing this along with me, go ahead and make a 6. Slant on down to the left and give it a curl. Good job. And our 9s, oh, I gave it away. Our 9 is going to be next. And when you make your 9, make sure it's not backwards. You can draw it like this. A circle and a line down. A circle and a line make number 9. All right. And what's our last number in our pattern going to be? 6, 9, 12. Yeah, 12 is our last number in our pattern. A 1 is the first number in 12, and then you have to make a 2. A 12 is made up of a 1 first and then a 2. So, will you help me double check this and say the whole pattern along with me? Here we go. 6, 9, 12, 6, 9, 12. Thank you. Good job. All right, let's talk about our coin cup. Our coin cup. Will you help me count the pennies that I have in my coin cup with me? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 pennies in my coin cup. They're all those brown pennies. Look. So, what I'm going to do, I have to put 6 pennies up here. Ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So I have 6 pennies, and every penny is worth only 1 cent. 1 cent. So if I have 6 pennies, how many cents do I have? Yeah, if I have 6 pennies, I have 6 cents because each penny is just 1 cent. So 6 cents. Remember the cent sign is a C with a line through it. All right, let's talk about the weather. You can sing with me the weather song. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Sunny, cloudy, rainy, snowy. What's the weather like today? Well, for our graph, we're going to put on that it's a cloudy day. We have a lot of cloudy days in November, don't we? Go ahead and sing the cloudy song with me. Ready? It's a cloudy, it's a cloudy, it's a cloudy, cloudy day. It's a cloudy, it's a cloudy, it's a cloudy, cloudy day. All right, just one thing on our graph so far. So our final part that we're gonna talk about today is our shapes. I have some different kinds of shapes today, or they look a little different. What shape is this? Can you tell me? Yeah, this is a square, isn't it? It has 4 equal sides. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. How about this one? What's this shape? Yeah, this is a circle. It's round all the way around. It has no sides, 0 sides. What about this one? Yeah, this one might be a little tricky. It has 4 sides, just like the square, but it can have longer sides. This is a rectangle. Yeah, a rectangle. And finally, what shape is this? If you said a triangle, you are correct. It has 1, 2, 3 sides. Yeah, they're not all the same length, but still a triangle, right? Good job, kindergartners. Thanks for your good work on today, our first November math meeting. Good job.